everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia. Basically, I haven't done a video in so long. I just thought that I would catch you up on a few things. I mean, I don't really know what I'm going to tell you. I just thought I need to get my camera out and do a little bit of YouTube, otherwise you're going to think that I've disappeared off the face of the earth. I had a lovely weekend. It was my 30th birthday this weekend, and I just had, it was like a whirlwind and it went far too quickly. My friends and family just spoilt me rotten and it was just so lovely. So if you want to go and check out a couple of photos that I took of my birthday dress, you need to go onto my Instagram. I will also post a quick photo here. So I made the Halon dress by Paradise Patterns. I made that lollipop version with the tiered colours. But I wanted like a really simple, sleek version for my birthday, because we were having like an outdoor like party in a bar, just like really quiet group of friends. It was like really lovely, and I made it in our blue Tencel twill that we stock in the shop. It's a fabric that I purchased from Megan at Pigeon Wishes. And it's just beautiful quality, and as soon as we got it in months and months ago, I was dreaming about something that I could make with it. And when I sort of dreamed up my perfect birthday dress, I knew that I had to make it out of that fabric. I just love the colour, I love the texture. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, it drapes and hangs beautifully, and it has the benefit of being sustainable. So yes, it was the perfect combination for my perfect dress. I actually also teamed it with a pair of heels that I managed to find in the charity shop that's just around the corner from our shop. And they cost me £5, and they worked perfectly with it. So yeah, I was really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, I just had the best weekend ever. Talking of handmade items, today I am wearing a black Peak t-shirt from the Wendy Ward's knitted fabric book. And I'm wearing my Marlowe cardigan with my beautiful ocean leopard buttons, which are also from Pigeon Wishes, and you can buy these on my website, as well as this knitted fabric, although it's not very summery. But you know, it's July and it tipped it down with rain all morning and it's still not very warm, so I thought I needed a cozy outfit to wear today, and this is what I reached for, clearly in mourning from my party being over. But yes, I also wanted to say that if you are local to us and you haven't visited us yet, then maybe you'd like to pop by. And also I've added loads more workshops on our workshop page on our website now. We have long and our normal sort of like half-day workshops, and I've added a few skills workshops which are 1 hour long, just focusing on a very specific skill like zips or applique or free motion, for those of you who don't really have the time to commit 2 to 3 hours for a workshop. And also they work out at a great price compared to a private one-to-one. But if you don't mind spending one-to-one time with me, then you can also book a private one-to-one. And I also still have my online workshops up on the website. There still is only 3, I'm afraid. I just haven't had the time to film any more. But thank you to those of you who have enjoyed them. The feedback so far has been really good. I know it's a little bit more complicated because it's done through Vimeo, but when I was researching at the beginning of lockdown last year, the best way to go about it, that was one of the most highly recommended platforms to use it on. So I hope it hasn't been too tricky for you to sort of like buy it through Vimeo and then have it through Vimeo, because as soon as you purchase the workshop, it's sort of like nothing to do with me anymore. But yes, everyone has been so lovely about them, so thank you for that. I'm hoping to do more, just waiting for some spare time, which I shouldn't complain about. We've been very lucky to sort of like slowly been building up the business again. It's been a scary time. I know a lot of you have been suffering as well, so I hope wherever you are in the world, things are getting a little bit better. But I think, you know, there is a small light at the end of the tunnel now. And yes, I just hope that you're all doing really well. So what I thought I'd do now is just show you a few things in the shop, and maybe things look a little bit different. They might not, but I'm going to show you anyway whether you like it or not. So I can't remember last time I showed you up here, but we've had this fake sort of like stud wall put in, and I know it's boring, but we've had that top bit filled. It was mainly due to an issue we had with the neighbours behind. So there is a lovely new wooden wall now, which we've decorated, and we've got some sort of like built-in art installations, which I really, really love. This is a little cross-stitch heart that I did. But yeah, I just really like it. We're going to put some more cork boards and more colours and stuff up. But so far, I'm really happy with it. Nothing much else has changed in this room, apart from we've just got more stuff because we are really living here now. You know, when you move into a house or a new space and you sort of like have loads of spare areas to like put things, and then slowly but surely you sort of fill the space with stuff. I feel like that's what we've been doing here. But I love it. I still love this space so much. And down here, I mean, it probably still looks the same. We've got some new displays that Mum made with these gorgeous coloured pencils made out of old fabric tubes. We've had a little move around with a few items, but other than that, it probably looks very similar to how you last saw it. I'm loving our button display at the moment. And pins and brooches and patches. I just think it looks so nice. Okay, so I haven't got many new patterns since last time you probably saw it. Except, has anyone got the new Tilly and the Button Sky pattern yet? I haven't actually made it yet, but we're going to make an example for the shop. But it's got like a short sleeve, it's sleeveless with bows or no bows, and then there's 3 lengths. You can have full, midi or mini length. But yeah, super cute summer pattern, so I'm going to look forward to making one of those. And the only other new thing we've got in are embroidery kits from Cotton Clara. I've been wanting to get her stuff in for so long, and just look how beautiful the packaging is. So happy with them. So thank you for letting me come on here and just sort of like waffle and get a video out. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and make sure that you're all alright. Please let me know any projects that you're working on down below in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, even though it's probably frightfully boring. And I will see you soon, hopefully, for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.